Union Home Minister Amit Shah is chairing a high-level meeting to assess the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, the meeting is being held in the wake of the recent terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, which have sparked worries about the Union Territory's law and order situation. NSA Ajit Doval, Home Secretary and Army Chief Manoj Pandey, Jammu and Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha and other officers of the Ministry of Home Affairs and also the Union Territory are attending the meeting. The meeting also reviewed the security arrangement in Srinagar ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, who will also be celebrating the International Yoga Day event on June 21 on the banks of the Dal Lake. In fact, the Home Minister also reviewed the preparations for the annual Amarnath pilgrimage, which is set to start on June 29. The meeting, of course, also comes just 3 days after the Prime Minister held a similar meeting where he directed the officials to deploy the full spectrum of counter-terror capabilities after a spate of terror incidents.
Indian Home Minister Amit Shah is currently holding a high-level meeting to take stock of the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir and also to see the preparation for Amarnath Yatra that is going to start from June 29. And this is the first big meeting of the Modi 3.0 government, but the focus remains on the Jammu region because in the last 1 week we have seen a spate of incidents, especially in Jammu region, be it Riyasi, Kathua or Doda. The focus hence of the Ministry of Home Affairs is the Jammu region, and currently Amit Shah is taking stock of the situation. As far as Amarnath Yatra is concerned, that is going to start from June 29th. So preparation to take stock of the preparations of that as well. That meeting is being done because remember last year the Yatra went smoothly, and this year also the district administration as well as the central government will try to ensure that it remains seamless and smooth for the people who are going to come there. So to discuss all this, currently the meeting is underway.
Meanwhile, amid the spike in terror attacks, and of course this is concerning because there have been a lot of terror attacks in the recent few days, Jammu and Kashmir Director General of Police has now warned of strict action against cross-border threats. In fact, he's also spoken about terrorism and also warned locals against sheltering terrorists. In a strongly worded criticism, he also dared Pakistan against shielding terrorists and also sending them across the border.
गुजारिश ये है आवाम से कि इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लो ज़रूर जारी रहे, पर हम एक अंग्रेजी में एक लफ्ज़ कहते हैं कि माने फॉल्स फ्लैग हो जाता है। मतलब कई बार इंफॉर्मेशन में आप मतलब हम डर के मारे कई बार होता है, तो उसको परखें, क्योंकि नफरी उतनी होती है, फिर हम जहाँ पे होना चाहिए वहीं होना चाहिए हमें। तो ये एक है, पर इसके बावजूद भी हम जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आता है, आपने देखा होगा एसएसपी साहब को, डीआईजी साहब को, कि यहाँ पे हर छोटे बड़े इन्फॉर्मेशन पर हम रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं। हमको ऊपर से भी इसी तरीके से इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दिल्ली से कि साहब हम और मजबूत करेंगे अपने टीमों को, गाड़ियों में, नाइट विजन डिवाइस में, वेपन में, ट्रेनिंग में, और हम इनको चुन चुन के मार डालेंगे।